Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to import character and animations from Mixamo website to Unity3D. It is a quite easy task for any developer or any beginner. So just open the Mixamo website by typing mixamo.com, or you can search it on Google. So first of all, we need to log in on Mixamo website. Waiting for loading, and okay, so here it is. Click on character, so you can choose the character which you want from quite large number of characters are here. So I'm going to choose from second page. Okay, I think this one will be fine for us. So here it is. You can see the preview of this character here. Okay, so now click on download. It will ask for sign up. Okay, so just click on login. If you don't have any account, so you can click on sign up, or just sign up with Google. Okay, so I'm going to use my ID. uh, so go to second page and select the character again. Here it is. And now when we click on download, so okay, just select FBX for Unity and click on download button. Download will be start in a few seconds. Okay, here it is. So the character size is only 5.6 MB. Okay, so now click and drag it on our Unity project folder, and after importing we will import some animations like walking, idle and jump. Okay, so character is imported, but when we drag it to our hierarchy, you can see there is no textures at all. So click on FBX or select it and go to material tab. Now click on textures, extract textures. So Unity will ask for a select folder, so create a new one. Folder and name it textures. Okay, select this folder. Now Unity will ask for normal web fixing problem. We need to wait for it. Okay, here it is. So let's click on fix now. Okay, so now you can see the textures are there on our, and our character is looking pretty fine. Okay, so now go to Mixamo and click on animation tab. Now I will search for idle animation and will select this one. You can select any of these or like this or according to your need or which you like. Here's some other options like overdrive and character arm space. This will be very useful, but currently I'm not going to use this. So click on download button and select without skin and skin drop down, and okay, everything is fine. Just click on download button. Now I'm going to search for walk, and here it is simple walking, or I can also use this one, or like zombie style or other. So just don't forget to take in place animation. Now download without skin FBX for Unity. Click on download button. Now we need one more clip for jump. Okay, so I'm not going to waste your time and select this one. Okay, so just hit on in place animation and click on download. Okay, so just add this idle, then import walk, and at last going to import the jump animation. Okay, so first of all we need to here select the castle guide object, and you can see there is no animation controller edit. So just right click in the project menu or project view and create a animator controller. Name it chr controller. Okay, select the castle guide again and drag and drop this to animator controller, and now go to animator tab. If in your Unity UI there's no animator, so go to Windows and animation and click on animator tab, so it will appear on your UI. Okay, now create a new state, select it, name it idle. Okay, and select the animation clip idle here. It is a default animation state because of this orange arrow or transition. So when you play, okay, so you can see the animation state is working now, but there is no loop animation, so it is just stop at the position. So I'm going to check the loop button. So just select the idle, this is walking, jump and idle. Okay, go to inspector and here's the animation tab and click on loop time. Okay, so now when we see the character will be in idle position and the animation clip will on loop. Okay, so click on apply. Okay, so here it is. You can see the animation is running in loop state. Okay, so now I'm going to add a new animation. Create a new state and I'm going to walk and add a new animation clip, walking. Okay, now this should also be in a loop. So just select the walk animation, go to animation and loop time. Okay, don't forget to save the scene. Now right click on idle and make a transition to walk and walk to idle. Okay, so now we need to create a new bool value. Name it is walking. Now adding the condition. First of all, we need to turn off the check button or hedge exit time for both walking to idle and idle to walking. Now I'm going to add the condition. When is walking is true, so transition run for idle to walk, and if we turn off the is walking, so it will return to idle state. Hit the play button and check whether it is working or not. Okay, so okay, you can see when I check the is walking true, so our character is start walking, and when I turn off the is walking, it will return to idle state. Okay, now I'm going to add the jump. Right click and create a new empty state. Name it jump and add the jump clip. Okay, create the transition to jump. Okay, so now we need another bool value, is jumping. Okay, so when is jumping is true, it should be jump. Same for walking, but is walking should be false and is jumping should also be false, and that there is this position. And when is walking false, oh sorry, is walking true and is jumping false, then it should be returned to walk state. Now I'm going to save this work and here we go. The just we need to remove the hedge exit time like this. Okay, now select the character and add the script. Movement. Okay, so I am going to create a ground plane. It should be on 0 0 0. Okay, and now move the camera so we can see our character here and rotate it to 180 on Y. Also we need to change the light direction to this. Okay, so Okay, now I'm going to edit the script. Just click on and edit script. Click on gear icon which is here and click on edit script. Okay, so here's our script. So first we need to create a private animator anim. Now we set the reference game object dot get component animator, and okay, so as a reference now I'm going to set the keys. So if input dot get key down key code dot up arrow, you can select any other key if you according to your need. So I'm just going to set the up arrow for walking. So anim dot set bool. Now we need a as a name as a string for bool and then pass the bool value. So going here and double click and control C and pass it to true. Okay, else if input dot get key up key code dot up arrow. So the anim dot set bool sum should be false. Okay, so now I'm going to check this whatever we have written in the script, is it working or not. Just waiting for compiling the script. Come on. Okay, so now hit the play button. Now when I press up button, it is working awesome. And on key up it will return to idle. Here you can see the transition is working. Okay, so now just stop the game and go to script, and now I'm going to add the function for jump as well. If input dot get key down, okay, key code dot space. So anim dot set bool, and now again go to Unity and control C, then go to here, control V, and pass the value for bool true, and else if input dot get key up key code dot space. So the anim dot set bool pass as a string and it should be false. Okay, just waiting for compiling the script. Oh, so it's done. Now click on play button. Now it should jump on pressing the space bar button. Oh, so here is jumping, and when we are walking and his the space is jumping and back to walking state. So you can see it is a quite easy task for any developer, or you can use this character on your mobile game, PC game, platformer, first person, as an enemy or as a player. Okay, so thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe channel for more tutorial, more easy. You can request for a tutorial on my email address, which is uh, you can find the email address on the cover picture of the channel. Thank you so much.